So we bought a toolbox and a cart, sight unseen. We have no idea what's in these. So a friend of ours was retiring and he called us up and said, hey, I got some tools I need to sell here. So we went down there and got them, picked them up, and here they are. They're in the yard, and we're gonna go through them and see if we got our money's worth. So we paid $3,000 for the bottom snap-on box. This is a U.S. General Harbor Freight top box, side cabinet, and a Matco service cart here. And we paid $3,000 for it all, including the tools in it. So we don't know what's in it. So we're gonna go through the drawers and come with me, and we're gonna see if we got our money's worth. All right, we'll start with the roll cart here. He did accidentally dump it, so it's a little bit of damage on the back. I'll show you that in a second. So the tools are gonna be scattered everywhere, he said. So we'll go ahead and slide the top open here and see what we got. We're gonna start by taking a closer look at the roll cart first. This cart was accidentally flipped over on its back, so the tools are gonna be scattered everywhere, but we're gonna check out and see what we got. So like I said, when the guy we got it from, he said he accidentally flipped it over when he was loading it into a storage unit. So it's got a little bit of damage here on the back. There's a little dent on the sliding door here, and then the tray on here's got a little damage. So we're going to slide her open and take a look at everything inside. Well, we'll just start on the back since we're already here. This is a pretty cool little holder. Pretty neat how the tools go through the back, and it has a spot where this slides and covers it up so you can lock your hammers and stuff in there. Looks like he's got a pretty cool Wilton hammer. This thing is pretty much indestructible. One of the best hammers I've ever had. I got one of these in my personal box as well. Looks like he's got a couple ratchets. These look to be Craftsman, and then some type of flashlight here. Some looks like Pittsburgh Harbor Freight pry bars, very cheap here. Looks like another Pittsburgh hammer here. Anyways, the air gauge did not do so well. It got crushed, and that one is a Matco one. Unfortunate that it happened. As you can see on top, the tools are scattered everywhere. So we got in one of the cases here. See what we got. We got some cheap Chinese sockets with one Matco socket in here. What's this here? A micrometer. It is a Matco. So we got another case here. Screwdriver set here. Matco. Some Pittsburgh sockets. Most of these look to be Pittsburgh. Cheap, inexpensive impact sockets. Some Allen sets. This is a Matco set. Does look like to be a nice one. So it's kind of just a jumbo of ratchets, Craftsman, that sort of stuff here. On the top here are some service wrenches here. These looks like these are Pittsburgh as well. A couple different sets of them here. This is all this personal stuff, everything the way you see it, just the way we got it here. The shield there. Let's see what's in the case here, the Milwaukee case. It is not a Milwaukee tool. It is a Matco multimeter. Here is a cordless drill, Craftsman. Let's take a look in the first drawer. All right, we got the first drawer open here. Looks like some pliers, wire strippers, some side cutters. These are snap-on. We got vice grips here. These are branded under Matco tools. They look like vice grips. Pretty cool looking air blower here. Magnets, roll punches, screwdrivers, that type of thing. All right, let's move on to drawer 2 here. Drawer 2 is assortment of wrenches, bit driver sets, brake line cutter, C-clamps, Craftsman, let's see, bit cutters, or not cutters, bit drivers here. What else we got here? More bit drivers, Husky, very cheap. Under here, we got a very cheap Taiwan made ratchet set, which is pretty much trash. That's a unfortunate. It's not looking good that we got the best buy here so far. A lot of the stuff I am just gonna get rid of, but let's see what's down here in the bottom drawer here. On the bottom drawer, we got some assortment of Pittsburgh wrenches, Chinese made wrenches, crescent wrench. Yeah, these are all the inexpensive style wrenches and stuff. This one looks homemade, which it is. Kind of a specialty one. Let's see here what we got here. This is cool. Some roll punches or center punches or chisels set. Looks pretty cool actually. I like it. Probably not the best brand, but pretty cool. Ooh, what do we got here? Oh, it's a cute little torque wrench. I don't know what brand it is. Not sure what brand it is, but it's a little inch pound torque wrench. Ooh, let's look back here. Oh, more wrenches. Lots and lots of wrenches. Pittsburgh. More Pittsburgh wrenches. I mean, just because they're doesn't mean they're not handy, but they're not the super high-end ones I was hoping for. All right, down here on the bottom, he's just got a stereo and some magnetic trays and stuff. Not much going on. Let's take a look on the side though. We got more tools on the side. So on the side here, it looks like we got a pretty good assortment of air tools here, and they look to be name brand. So these are Matco. I'm not a big fan of air tools anymore. I use mostly electric, but these are cool, and I'll probably end up selling these. These are all Matco. This one's cool. Matco as well. And a Matco drill, air drill. This is pretty cool. Might hold on to this one. And a cut off wheel. A couple things that came with was the creeper here, and then this. We did look at this. This is a slide hammer set here, which is pretty cool. I don't know if it's a name brand one or not, but it has all the the bodyman type slide hammer for doing like body work, pulling out dents and stuff like that. This is not your average slide hammer set. It's pretty cool. I like this. This is probably going to come in handy. So on the top here, it's nothing super fancy, just some organizing trays and stuff like that. Not much really to show you here. Like I said, the top is a US General. The bottom box here is a 2-bank snap-on. I'm not sure what the actual model of it is, but it's a decent sized box. We'll start with the top here. Top drawer here just kind of looks like the personal junk drawer. Nothing really as far as tools go. Some sockets and some block off stuff. Pretty cool. If you're doing hydraulic stuff, these are handy. Manuals. Oh, look at that. A bunch of service manuals. This is pretty cool. And this drawer here is not much going on in it. Stethoscope. Not really much going on at all. I was hoping for a lot more. More organizing stuff here. Not much going on. Uh-oh. Getting a little worried. Are we going to make our money back? Just assortments of punches and drill bits and grinding bits, and these look like very inexpensive wrenches. More organizing trays, kind of a junk drawer type stuff. More multimeters, flashlight, old school. Like I said, this guy was retired, very a DeWalt drill, more like a home use. This is cool. Stubby impact. Alright, let's see what's in the side locker here. Not a whole lot going on here. More looks like more junk, really, to me. I don't know what that is. Let's see, a couple cases up here. Ooh, a soldering gun. Let's see. Magnetic trays. Coolant pressure tester. I'm not seeing anything that's making me jump for joy here. Oh boy. I'm hoping the box has got the good stuff. Alright, we're going to jump over to the top drawer of the box. We got snap ring pliers. Looks like Cornwell. Cool. Rivet gun. Power steering puller. Looks like a Harbor Freight special here. But these are cool. These are like extracting bits. These are pretty cool. The Sonex crow's feet. Still in the box, brand new. This is the base for a what should we call it here? Oh, there's the other half of it right here. Alright, next drawer down. Wrench drawer. Looks like all Pittsburgh. Nuts and fancy, but the big wrenches are cool. I don't have a lot of big wrenches. I came from the car side, and now I'm over here on the heavy truck side. They will come in handy, even though they're not the best quality ones. These are Matco. I'm sure they're for something specialty. Matco. Alright, let's see what's in the next one. More wrenches, a few ratchets, extensions. That one's cool, Matco. A 1-inch drive, 10-inch. Looks. Alright, let's see what's in the next one. Oh, here we go. This is where I don't have a lot of the big sockets here. This is going to come in handy for me. I'm not sure what this is exactly for, but it looks like a specialty socket. This was cool. Let's see here. Some very cheap sockets, but these cheap ones come in handy though. Alright, let's see what's in the next one. That's a pretty heavy drawer. Ooh, taps and dies. That's cool. Yep, this is all taps and dies. Looks like a puller set here. Pretty cool. Old school right here. I don't know what year this is from, but it's very old. Alright, let's see what the next one is. Ooh, pliers. This is cool. The pliers look cool. Snap on. Hose pinching, tin snips. Pretty cool stuff. Nothing crazy, but cool. Bottom drawer here. Oh, promotion pads. No idea what that is. Anybody knows what that is? Let me know in the comments. That's cool. Cool set of a seal installer, bearing race installer tool. Ah, it's empty. Drill bits. Pretty cool. Alright. Let's go to the side here. See what's going on. Kind of a personal drawer. Not much going on in there. More wrenches. Little air saw. Right angle drills. Kind of cool. Ooh, more hammers, pry bars. Brake shoe tool for heavy truck drum brakes. Pretty cool. And paint supplies. There you have it. All right, so if you guys are just starting out, this is a great way to pick up some tools and leapfrog your career. It takes a long time to build a collection of tools, and this could be a great way to do it. So my question for you guys is, hey, how well did we do? Did we do good for our 3,000 bucks, or did we swing and a miss? Let us know in the comments. I'm Brian from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching and encourage you to subscribe.